I know I'm a serial overpacker. That's my train that I need to catch.
So this is the room.
This is the money shot.
Yeah, this is really good.
Hi. Welcome back to my channel. I am packing for my trip to Japan. I'll be gone for a month and I cannot wait. Yeah, I'm pretty excited for this trip because I will be taking videos. I've never actually vlogged about it, even though I've always wanted to. As you know, I am half Japanese, so I've been to Japan like a million times. I'll be spending 1 week in Tokyo first. The rest of the time, I'll be mostly in my grandma's place, which is like in the countryside. I like the countryside because I feel like it's a change of pace. Like Singapore's a city and it's always so fast and busy and crowded, whereas where my grandma is like literally middle of nowhere Japan. Pace is a lot slower there, and also obviously I'm very excited to spend time with my grandma because I've always been pretty close to her. I'll see you guys and let's go. Hi, since I have a bit of time before check-in, I'm gonna do a what's in my bag. I have two. So the first bag is just this tote bag. So what's in this tote bag is honestly just my laptop. I put it in a separate bag because if I put it in my main bag, it's gonna be super heavy and then my shoulders will start to hurt. My main bag is this. I'll start with the outside. I bring a neck pillow with me. Hopefully I can fall asleep. I usually can't sleep in planes, but today I'm very tired. So hopefully I can fall asleep. I'm not sure. We'll see how it goes. In my bag, I have a shawl. I actually usually bring a jacket, but this time around, I don't know, a jacket just felt a bit bulky, and anyway, in Japan it's summer, it's gonna be really hot, so I thought I don't really need a jacket, so I just brought a shawl in case I get cold in the plane. But again, I don't really get cold. I have this cat pouch that has my passport, power bank, also my earphones for my iPad and earphones for my phone in case I want to listen to music. I have my Sudoku book in case I get bored. I usually get very bored in planes because I can't sleep, right? So I have a lot of like entertainment that I bring on board. Yeah, like I really how do I say it? Like I overestimate how bored I will be. So I always have a lot of like entertainment or like things to keep me entertained in the plane. I usually don't use all of them, so like it's kind of like a waste of space. Snacks, Panadol in case I'm in pain, I guess. My wallet with money inside. My Kobo, my ebook reader. I finished reading the other book that was in my previous video. I'm reading this honestly I don't know how to say this word, White Oleander. Yep, I'm reading this book. I'm only at chapter 4, so I'm not sure if it's good yet, but so far it's not bad. I have my iPad. I've downloaded I think 2 movies and like 7 episodes of some, I forgot what series. Like I just downloaded it in a hurry before I left the house. And I also have some YouTube videos loaded in. And makeup pouch. When I land in Japan, if I can be bothered, sometimes I just touch up my makeup, but most of the times I can't really be bothered, so but just bring it just in case because my skin also gets really dry in the plane, so there's also like moisturizer in here. The final thing is my charger for my phone in case my phone runs out of battery. Basically that's it. That's what's in my bag. I know I'm a serial overpacker. There's nobody beside me. Let's hope it stays that way. I just landed in Japan and I'm waiting for my train to get into Tokyo. I managed to sleep a lot in the plane, which is surprising because I thought I wouldn't be able to sleep. Can't believe I'm doing this in public. Like I'm literally alone talking to myself, but I mean I feel like I'm in a different country, so like I'm a different person, so I don't really care. Anyway, I went to Family Mart just now because I wanted to get my onigiri and a drink, but the onigiri I wanted, which was the salmon one, was sold out. I'm pretty sad. So I only got this coffee thing. I've never tried this coffee, so I hope it's good. Let me try it right now. The coffee tastes okay, and you can see the train behind me, so that's my train that I need to catch. I'll see you in Tokyo.
So this is the room at Pullman. It's quite spacious. This is the toilet, some closets. This is the shower area, the mirror, and then this is the bed. We requested for an additional table so that I can use my laptop. Yep, and this is the view. Huge windows. Yep, it's quite a nice room and it's very spacious.
Harajuku now, and it's so freaking hot. Today's a shopping day, so we're gonna shop, and we also have reservations for Shibuya Sky at 3 p.m. so we gotta go there at 3. Also, what's this weird thing above my lid? Oh, so weird. Okay. Going to Shibuya Sky now. Taking the lift up. Oh shit, let me show my QR code. Very sunny. We're at Shibuya Sky. You can just see a lot of people taking pictures here. Basically, before you come in, they make you store everything in lockers, so they don't really let you bring anything up except your phone and anything that can fit in your pocket. So all your bags need to be in a locker, and you need to pay 100 yen for the locker. What am I supposed to do? Something like this? Are you even taking the scenery, or is it just me going down an escalator? This is the money shot that everybody comes here for, I guess? Or something, I don't know. Yeah, okay. And it's really super freaking hot, oh my god. Okay, that's it for Shibuya Sky. I rate the experience maybe like a 3 out of 5. Only because it was really hot. Otherwise, it would be like a 4 out of 5. How much will you rate the experience?
5 out.
My boyfriend said the experience was 5 out of 5. Why?
Because I shit my pants.
Because it's a fear of, huh? What do you mean? I don't get it. Never mind. Cut this part out. Cut. Come to Tokyo, drink gongcha. Oh my god, this watermelon one is good. Okay, close it. I want something that's not like milky, but looks like everything is milky except this big watermelon, but I don't want this big watermelon one. Oh, kari kari pun. Okay, I'm getting that. Nice.
Feeling this machine.
That's actually kind of good.
I'm feeling this machine. Let's go, bring it all the way in.
Oh,
what the
that's
heck?
still kind of good.
What the heck? Gambare.
Oh shit, I think
Oh, that's kind of good. This is kind of good. Oh my god, this is kind of good. Oh my god, that's kind of good. It's kind of good. It's kind of good.
Yo. Oopsie. Right.
Oh, that's kind of
Hey,
bad.
jam.
Yeah, that's kind of bad.
You should have gone all the way down, man.
Do it.
Go. All the way. Wait,
What the fuck? The fuck? What the fuck?
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen.
That's so funny.
That
What
was
the
epic,
hell?
man. I thought you would carry all the way. Alright, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, fuck off music.
Go. I tell you, I thrive under time pressure.
No.
I think must be nearer, yeah.
23時50分にはゲームを終了していただき、24時までにご体験いただきます。
Today for lunch, I'm gonna try Japanese McDonald's. Yay! I ordered the special, some Hawaiian collab special, which is like this cheese loco moco, and then my boyfriend got the samurai burger, and then we also got the shaker fries. That's some like Hawaiian barbecue flavor, so we'll see how that tastes. Hawaiian shaker fries thing. I'm gonna try it now. Oof. I'm just gonna put half in case it's not nice. Why? Just in case. It's always better to be safe than freak. Okay, what does it taste like? Garlicky. It smells weird. Like spices. Okay, done. It's nice. Can I try?
Oishini. Tastes like pizza.
Oh yeah, yes, it tastes like pizza, you're right. It tastes like pizza. What did I think of that? Look at the ketchup that they give. So cute. This is the burger that I got. Cheese loco moco. Let's see if it's good. Okay, this is how it looks. How do I eat this? Ooh, there's an egg inside. It's like sweet and also savory, but more sweet, like barbecue sauce. I can't decide if I like it. I mean, I don't hate it, and it's definitely edible. It's an interesting flavor, but I'm not sure if I'll order it again. Probably not. You want to try a bite? Let's see what he thinks.
Not too bad.
I guess that means he also can't decide if he likes it or not. It's not bad, but it's not like, I'm not sure if I will like, rave about it. Do you want to try your samurai burger so I can take a bite?
You just want me to try for your review?
Yes. See, helping you guys get more content, okay? I think this is the same as the one in Singapore. You know the samurai burger? Should be, right? It looks like this.
Less peppery.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good because it's less peppery.
Yeah, this is really good. Oh my god.
As usual, I make the right choices.
Yeah. Does it taste like this in Singapore? No, right?
No, I told you Singapore very peppery.
Oh my god, this is really good. You guys should get the samurai mac. It's nice.
You know why? It's good? Because samurai is from Japan. So samurai burger is nicer here than in Singapore.
Allegedly. That's it for my review. Leave a comment and let me know what you want me to try next.
So we're checking out of Pullman today and going to Shibuya. We're gonna check into another hotel, Shibuya Grand Bell Hotel. We've stayed there once before, but only for one night. So this time we're gonna stay there for 2 nights before I go to my grandma's house.